Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lower your Toyota 86. We'll cover the various methods available, from simple spring swaps to advanced coilover systems, and discuss the important factors to consider for a successful modification. Understanding these aspects will help you achieve the perfect stance and improved handling for your car, ensuring a safe and enjoyable driving experience. There are several popular ways to lower your Toyota 86. Lowering springs are a straightforward option, replacing your factory springs for a fixed drop, often around 1 to 2 inches. Coilovers offer more control, allowing you to adjust both ride height and damping for a custom feel. For ultimate flexibility, air suspension lets you change your car's height with the push of a button. Before and after lowering, several factors are important. Always get a professional wheel alignment to correct camber and toe, preventing uneven tire wear. Select components that match your driving needs, whether for daily commuting or track use. While some modifications can be DIY, professional installation is highly recommended for safety and to ensure everything functions correctly. Lowering your Toyota 86 offers several advantages, including a more aggressive and appealing aesthetic, along with improved handling and reduced body roll during cornering. Remember to research reputable brands for parts and choose experienced installers. Taking these steps will help you achieve a fantastic-looking and performing vehicle, enhancing your overall driving pleasure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.